It's story time, and as we rhyme, we learn of old King Terry. Bandit came down to take his crown, so no one could be merry. Bandit appeared, he was so feared, the villain of this tale. He pushed the king, said nasty things, and locked him in jail. Our heroes came up with a plan to launch a daring rescue. Over the top, Cozy will drop to open the drawbridge. It's story time, and as we rhyme, we learn of old King Terry. Bandit came down to take his crown, so no one could be merry. Cozy, Coupe, and Buster Bust were riding to the castle. When they arrived, to their surprise, King Terry has been hassled. Off Bandit sped and Buster fled, but it was part of the trick. He flew up to them, Bandit knew that they'd have him in jail quick. It's story time, and as we rhyme, we learn of old King Terry. When he was saved one daring day to make everyone merry. Tony truck, go, go, go. Frankie hop, hop, says hello. Tony truck, stop, stop, stop. You left something on the road. A bottle of bubble bath. Bubbles flying, zooming past. Hello, Buster, come and play. Let's have a lovely day. Bubbles, bubbles, rolling, rolling up the road. Buster, watch Frankie go. Bubbles, bubbles, everywhere. Bubbles flying through the air. Bubbles, bubbly bubbles, soapy and clean. The coolest shapes you've ever seen. Frankie Frog leads the way. He knows the best place to play. Bubbles, bubbles. He's made a bubble bath, and it looks like such a laugh. Bubbles, bubbles, up and down. Bubbles flying all around. So much fun in Bubble Lake. Bubbles, bubbles, shake, shake, shake. Frankie's captain of the ship. Scout jumps and does a flip. Time to leave the Bubble Lake. This bubbly adventure was so great. Bubbles, Buster in the desert, go, go, go. Buster, can you reach the volcano? When you travel closer, please take care. It can be so very dangerous there. Rita, the race car, go, go, go. Racing Buster to the volcano. Look, she's got a head start, that's not fair. Who is gonna be the first one there? Look, the rock is falling, no, no, no. Falling deep inside the volcano. You could be in trouble, please take care. Time for you to race away from there. Buster and the race car, go, go, go. Time for you fight all these fires. Oh, oh, oh. Who can help us out now? Yes, I know. Help us, Ashley Fire Truck, then we'll go far away from angry volcanoes. Buster and Rita, off you go. Stay away from angry volcanoes. Changing colors is so much fun for Buster and Cozy Coupe. Ready, set, go! Make a rainbow, splish and splash, now shoot. Changing colors is so much fun for Buster and Cozy Coupe. Ready, set, go! Make it purple, purple trees will do. Changing colors is so much fun for Buster and Cozy Coupe. Ready, set, go! Make a rainbow, so many colors to choose. Changing colors is so much fun for Buster and Cozy Coupe. Ready, set, go! Make a rainbow, splish and splash, now shoot. Too many colors are flying round. Diggly knows just what to do. Ready, set, go! Change the rainbow, choose the color and shoot. Ready, set, go! Make a rainbow, splish and splash, now shoot. Scout has had a great idea. Oh, Buster, come and play. Racing round a tricky maze will be such fun today. Racing round with Scout, she goes a different way. Buster's having lots of fun in the maze today. In, out, and round about, and which way shall I go? Shall I do a left or right? I really just don't know. Have I been here before? Oh, how can I get out? I don't like this anymore, and where on earth is Scout? Together as a team, they hatch a clever plan. They really want to leave this maze as quickly as they can. In, out, and round about, and which way shall I go? Shall I do a left or right? I really just don't know. They follow tire tracks. Yes, that will show the way. The friends have really had enough of racing round today. In, out, and round about, the way out we now know. We made it out the maze, now it's time to go. Sleepovers are great fun. Buster the bus is having one with Bandit here to join everyone. He wants to play till the morning comes. Buster's mom gives them a treat, a cookie each, yum yum. Bandit eats it in one bite. He wants another one. Then the snacks are put away, safely out of sight. But Bandit watches where they go. He might want more tonight. Uh-oh! Sleepovers are great fun. Buster the bus is having one with Bandit here to join everyone. He wants to play till the morning comes. Bandit's waking Buster up. It seems he has a plan. He tells Buster to follow him as quickly as he can. He finds the jar and grabs a snack quicker than a flash. But then the jar falls to the ground with a big loud smash. Uh-oh! Oh no! Buster and Bandit have been caught stealing cookies by Mommy. Right, you two, off you go. You've been naughty, I think you know. So get to bed now, off to sleep. Buster and Bandit, the cookie thieves. Aw, it looks like Buster and Bandit are sorry for what they did, Mommy.
The wheels on the bus have jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. The wheels on the bus have jingle bells. At Christmas time, we drive on the roads with a swerve and a skid, a swerve and a skid, a swerve and a skid. We drive on the roads with a swerve and a skid. At Christmas time, the wipers on the bus swish snow away, snow away, snow away. The wipers on the bus swish snow away. At Christmas time, we wrap our presents with a big red bow, a big red bow, a big red bow. We wrap our presents with a big red bow. At Christmas time. Uh-oh, looks like we're stuck on the ice, stuck on the ice, stuck on the ice. Uh-oh, looks like we're stuck on the ice at Christmas time. Here's Terry Tractor with a big snow plow, a big snow plow, a big snow plow. Here's Terry Tractor with a big snow plow at Christmas time. The wheels on the bus go round again, round again, round again. The wheels on the bus go round again at Christmas time.
Buster doesn't know that he's got a naughty double. Robot Buster's here to cause some trouble. What's going on around here today? There's a naughty Robot Buster coming this way. Watch out, Scout, he's here to cause trouble. Stopping on the ball and he's off on the double. What's going on around here today? There's a naughty Robot Buster coming this way. Watch out, Jesse, he's here to cause trouble. Driving really fast and is off on the double. Watch out, Robin, he's out to cause trouble. Throwing you aside and he's off on the double. Watch out, Digger, he's out to cause trouble. Knocking down the blocks and is off on the double. What's going on around here today? There's a naughty Robot Buster coming this way. Watch out, Buster, he's out to cause trouble. Your friends are blaming you, they don't know you have a double. What's going on around here today? There's a naughty robot Buster coming this way. Watch out, robot, we're gonna stop your trouble. Digger, catch him quick, turn him off on the double. What's going on around here today? We've stopped the naughty robot, now let's have a great day.
Hop, 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 just like the Easter bunny. Wiggle your tail, oh you look so funny. Hop so high, how high can you go? Then jump like a bunny and wiggle your nose. Wiggle, 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 hop, hop, hop. Let's do the bunny dance, here we go. Wiggle, 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 hop, hop, hop. We love the bunny dance, let's do it once more. Hop, 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 just like the Easter bunny. Wiggle your tail, oh you look so funny. Hop so high, how high can you go? Then jump like a bunny and wiggle your nose. Now wiggle to the left, wiggle to the left, and wiggle to the right, wiggle to the right. Wiggle, 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 all day and night. Wiggle, 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 hop, hop, hop. Let's do the bunny dance, here we go. Wiggle, 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 hop, hop, hop. We love the bunny dance, let's do it once more.
Buster the bus is a bored little bus. All he wants is to have some fun. But what can he do when he's on his own? Oh, poor little Buster is so glum. Tweet, tweet, oh, did you hear that? Little tweet, tweet, little Robin has come to play. Tweet, tweet, where is little Robin? He must have flown away. Oh, there he is, friendly little Robin, tweeting as he flies. Buster, it's time to have some fun. Robin has a great surprise. So off they go into the snow. I wonder what's in store. Tweet, tweet, little Robin has a scarf. What can we use that for? Oh, Buster, what a great idea. You could build up all this snow with 3 snowballs and a little bit of magic to build a snowman. Yay, let's go! Wow! It's nearly there. It's looking great. Look at little Robin go. A stripy scarf. Call for buttons. Where did little Robin just go? Oh, there he is with a carrot for a nose. We must be nearly there. He just needs one final touch. But what is it and where? Wait. A gust of wind blows along a perfect tall top hat. Tweet, 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 tweet. Why don't we just use that? The snowman has come alive. Well done, Buster the bus. Now you have another friend to play with and beat. Driving our toy car, driving our toy car. Spin, spin, vroom, vroom, vroom. We can watch it go, we can watch it go. Spin, spin, vroom, vroom, vroom. Buster and Diggly, it's time for a snack. But don't forget to put everything back. Time to play again, but the car's not around. We won't stop until the toy car is found. Finding our toy car, finding our toy car. Quick, quick, look, look, look. Oh, where did it go? Oh, where did it go? Quick, quick, look, look, look. We know that it's close by, it must be near. Buster thinks fast and has a great idea. All the piles of leaves, there's so many about. Let's get the controls and drive it out. Finding our toy car, finding our toy car. Quick, quick, look, look, look. Oh, where did it go? Oh, where did it go? Quick, quick, look, look, look. Driving our toy car, driving our toy car. Spin, spin, vroom, vroom, vroom. We can watch it go, we can watch it go. Spin, spin, vroom, vroom, vroom. Buster the bus is thinking of his mommy. He thinks that she's the best. Buster the bus wants to get her some gifts. What presents can he get? A teddy will be great to show how much I care. Mommy will love it when I get there. Mommy, you're the best in everything you do. These special gifts show that I love you. Mommy, you're the best in everything you do. These special gifts show that I love you. Flowers will be great, pretty and bright, just like you. They're a lovely sight. Mommy, you're the best in everything you do. These special gifts show that I love you. Mommy, you're the best in everything you do. These special gifts show that I love you. Balloons will be great, cheery and fun, just like you, my lovely mom. Mommy, you're the best in everything you do. These special gifts show that I love you. Mommy, you're the best in everything you do. These special gifts show that I love you. Buster the bus gives the presents to his mommy. He smiles and says, I love you. His mommy is pleased with all the special gifts. She says that she loves him.
Buster and Grandpa are visiting the Christmas Winter Wonderland. Look at all the amazing stalls. Wow, Buster really wants to win that teddy bear. He's asking Grandpa if they can play. They get 3 throws to knock down the cans. Oops, Buster missed. Oh dear, that's all 3 of his throws. He's having another go. Oh no, he missed again. Buster's upset, but I think Grandpa can teach Buster a thing or two about throwing. The key to hitting what you aim at is to take your time. First, you take a big, long breath. Then take aim, crouch low, and throw. Whoa! Grandpa hit the cans! Now it's Buster's turn. A big, long breath. Take aim, crouch low, and throw! Hooray! Nice shot, Buster! Now, time to go win that teddy bear. Oh dear, Buster didn't take his time. He needs to take a big, long breath, take aim, crouch low and throw. Hooray! Buster did it! Well done, Buster! And here's his prize. Buster's so proud of himself.
The wheels on Buster Bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on Buster Bus go round and round, all through the town. The horn on Buster Bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on Buster Bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Buster's lights go flash, 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 flash. Buster's lights goes flash, 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 all through the town. Ooh. The wipers on Buster go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on Buster go swish, 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 all through the town. Buster the bus goes rum, 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 rum. Buster the bus goes rum, 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 all through the town. The wheels on Buster Bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on Buster Bus go round and round, all through the town.
The Christmas tree is beautiful with friends all gathered round. With Santa coming on his sleigh, just hear the sleigh bell sound. It's a lovely sight to see, a decorated Christmas tree. Oh, how happy we will be with friends on Christmas Day. The Christmas tree is beautiful, but Bandit's on his way. He wants to steal the presents there and ruin Christmas Day. Someone stop Bandit Bus, he's a villain, can't you see? He's stealing all the presents from under the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is beautiful, but Bandit disagrees. He wants to take the gifts away and then destroy the tree. Someone stop Bandit Bus, he's a villain, can't you see? He's stolen all the presents from under the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is beautiful, but all the gifts have gone. But Bandit has a change of heart, he knows what he's done wrong. Hey there, look, it's Bandit Bus, he's changed his mind, can't you see? He's returned all the presents to the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is beautiful with friends all gathered round. And Bandit, there's a gift for you, look here upon the ground. It's a lovely sight to see, a decorated Christmas tree. Oh, how happy we will be, all friends on Christmas Day.
Dig, 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 mix, 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 move and shake and hammer and fix. 1, 2, 3, come and build with me. The construction site is the place to be. Tony the truck skids onto site. Have you brought the tools?
Yeah, I have.
All right, everybody zoom into position. We're gonna build a garage, yeah, this is our mission. So the doors on the truck go open and close. Tony's doors, they open and close. Unloading the boxes, then off he goes. Can you hear those great vibrations? It's the digger digging these foundations. Dig, 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 a shovel and a scoop. The dig, dig. Yeah, the arm on the digger goes dig, dig, dig.
I'm digging these rhymes, this tune is big.
Dig, 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 mix, 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 move and shake and hammer and fix. Now it's time to clear some room. Let's push this dirt with the vroom, vroom, vroom. Billy will push this into place. He's a strong bulldozer.
Yeah, rest my case.
The bulldozer goes push, push, push. Yeah, the bulldozer goes vroom, vroom, vroom.
I'm like a really, 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 really strong broom.
It's CJ, the cement mixing DJ. See her mixing, let's see it on replay. The tank on the mixer goes mix, mix, mix. The cement in the mixer is wet, wet, wet. You shake it and pour it and watch it set. Dig, 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 mix, 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 move and shake and hammer and fix. 1, 2, 3, come and build with me. The construction site is the place to be.
Buster the bus is out for a ride. He is having so much fun. Suddenly, gray clouds appear. Oh no, a big storm is near. Quick, Buster, off you go before you get caught in the storm. Buster went at the speed of light, but he left Scout behind. She tried to run, but got stuck. Poor little Scout, she's caught in the mud. Buster goes, he's so quick, running away from the drip, drip, drip. Buster made it to the garage. He is safe, but Scout's outside. He takes a peek and sees her there. Go help her, Buster, you must be brave. Scout is stuck in the mud. A push will get her out of the muck. Thunder crash, lightning strike. Buster has to use all of his might. Buster takes one deep breath. Off he goes to the rescue, no less. Hold on, Scout, he's almost there. And with one little push, she's out. Hooray! And then they heard a scary sound, a lightning clap. We must get inside. But as they went, they realized no need to be scared with your friends at your side. Look at that, what a storm. It's more fun to watch if you're not on your own.
It's time to race. Get ready, steady, go. Ready, steady, go. Ready, steady, go. Robin cuts the ribbon and off they go. Who will win the race? Buster's wheels, they spin so fast. They spin so fast. They spin so fast. Round and round all through the tracks. Who will win the race? Little Scout goes zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Careful with the bridge, it's so, so low. Who will win the race? Digger races through the tracks, through the tracks, through the tracks. Watch out, Digger, look at that. Who will win the race? Bandit cheats to win the race, to win the race, to win the race. But he ends up covered in mud instead. He won't win the race. We're nearly there. Who's in first place? Who's in first place? Who's in first place? Yay, it's Buster who won the race. And a yummy treat from the ice cream van.
A pumpkin is what we need. A pumpkin is what we need to finish the house for Halloween. A pumpkin is what we need. There are lots on Terry's farm.
a trick. It's time to play a trick. Grandpa screams, the pumpkin rolls free. Get after it, be quick. A pumpkin is what we need. A pumpkin is what we need to finish the house for Halloween. A pumpkin is what we need. It's bouncing out of sight. It's bouncing out of sight. It lands with a bump up on the wall and gives Giggly a fright. Look out, it's in the air. Look out, it's in the air. Buster flips, the pumpkin slips and rolls off over there. A pumpkin is what we need. A pumpkin is what we need. Now it's on the floor next to the door. Happy Halloween. It's Buster and Cozy Coupe. Driving by the farm today. Can we help in any way? Terry shows us the sheep pen. Can we get them in again? Let's go to catch the sheep. Keep them safe and sound. Oh, no one has escaped. He's running us around. The cheeky sheep has dug a hole. Where's he gone? He's on a roll. Can we catch him? Yeah, you bet. Let's go. Ready, get set. Let's go to catch the sheep. Keep them safe and sound. Oh, no one has escaped. He's running us around. Up and down and here and there. The tricky sheep is everywhere. We use the hay to plug the hole. There he is, let's take him home. Good job, we caught the sheep. Now they're safe and sound. Watch out, if they escape, they'll run us all around. Painted yellow, it's Buster, but he's lost his glow. A coat of paint will make you shine. A coat of paint and you'll look fine. A coat of paint will do the trick. But which color will Buster pick? Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? Who's that bus painted so red? It's Buster, but he's red instead. Maybe red is not your color. Go back and try another. Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? Who's that bus painted so blue? Uh-oh, blue is just not you. Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? Who's that bus painted so green? Buster, you don't seem keen. Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? Who's that bus painted so pink? It's back to the paint shop, I think. So many colors in a row. Colors like a bright rainbow. Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do?
here. Let's sing about me. With a 1, 2, 3. B-U-S-T-E-R. Hop on board and I'll take you far. Wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town. I've got 4 wheels. Yeah, that's the deal. 1 more makes 5 to help me drive. All right. Here are my wipers to keep things clean. Swish, swish, swish. You know what I mean. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town. The doors I've got, yeah, they open a lot. And then they shut. Hey, let's take a shortcut. We got the babies in the back, yeah? With the where, when. Beeping my horn, driving near and far. Let's go! The wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town. My wheels, my wipers, my doors, my horn. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town, all through the town.
Hey there, Buster. Oh, wow, look at that. You're in the Wild West. And check out your cowboy hat. That must be the sheriff with his shiny gold star. Oh, look, a lasso. Great work, Buster. Now you're a proper cowboy. There's Terry. Tip your hat, cowboy, and say hello. I don't think Terry looks too impressed. Wait, it's Bandit Bus. And what's that on his back? A sack? I think he's robbed the sweet shop. What a villain he is. You must stop him, Buster. Quick, Buster. He's getting away. Chase after him. Wake up, Sheriff. There's a robber on the loose. They're speeding alongside the train tracks. Faster, Buster. You can't let Bandit escape. Wow, Bandit jumped in front of Suki the train. Wait for the train to pass and... Where did he go? Oh no, he's going the other way. That was sneaky. After him, Buster. Bandit is trying to lose Buster in the cactus field. Careful, Buster. Those are really spiky. You've almost caught him. Look out! Are you okay, Buster? Oh no, the cactus has punctured your tire. Oh no, you'll never catch him with a flat tire. Wait, of course! The lasso! Rope him up, Buster. 1, 2, 3, go! Great, you did it! You caught Bandit. And here's Sheriff Otis. I'm sure he's really grateful. There, Bandit is in the jailhouse where he belongs. Oh wow, Sheriff Buster. What an exciting dream that was. Happy trails, Buster.